Are you relocating to the Charlotte area and looking for a 55 and up community? I definitely have one for you right here. More details to come. Today we are touring the Encore Harmony community in Harrisburg, North Carolina, which is built by David Weekley Homes. This beautiful 55 and up active adult community that's perfect for buyers looking for a low maintenance living, modern design, and a strong sense of community. So this first floor plan I'm showcasing is the Perkins floor plan. And this one is such a smart layout for anyone wanting comfort without sacrificing space. This home features a very open concept design where the kitchen, dining, and living areas all flow together seamlessly, which makes it ideal for entertaining family and friends or simply enjoying an everyday living. So the kitchen has a large island, ton of cabinet space, and overlooks the main living area, so you're never disconnected from your guests. Now, one thing I really like about the Perkins is how functional the layout feels. The owner suite is tucked away for privacy and includes a spacious bedroom, large walk-in closet, and a well-designed bathroom layout. Now, of course, depending on the bill, you may also have flex space that can be used as an office, an hobby room, or even just a guest area, which is huge for buyers relocating and downsizing but still wanting versatility. So if you're not familiar with Harrisburg, North Carolina, this area continues to grow because of its balance between convenience and lifestyle. You're close to Charlotte while still getting more space, a quieter suburban feel, and access to shopping, dining, parks, and pretty much just everyday essentials. Harrisburg is known for being well maintained and a very community oriented feel, which makes it attractive for buyers relocating from out of state or simply looking for a more relaxed pace of life without feeling disconnected. All right, so let's get on to this second home, the Almaden floor plan. Now, this one gives a slightly different feel while still offering that easy, active adult lifestyle. So the Almaden has a very bright and airy layout with spacious common areas and a design that feels both elegant and practical. And as you will see, the kitchen is definitely the standout of this home with its oversized island, modern finishes, and a great connection to the dining and family room areas. So this floor plan also offers a spacious owner's retreat designed for comfort and convenience. And I really think buyers will appreciate how easy these homes are to live in pretty much day to day. The secondary spaces are really great for any type of overnight guest, if you're visiting family, or even just creating that dedicated office or even a fitness room type area. So just like the Perkins, the Almaden can be built from the ground up, but there's also quick move-in opportunities available right now within the community that they're still being built, but they will be ready within the next couple of weeks. So if you are looking for an option like that, where you are wanting more of the quick move in instead of a to be built, this definitely will be available. This one as well as the Perkins, which was showcased earlier. So if you would like more information on these homes, current pricing, incentives, or other 55 and up communities in the Charlotte area, feel free to reach out to me. Talk soon.